back at A, baby. What a beautiful day out here in Houston, though. Houston is such a vibe, bro. Man, the governor of Texas is not backing down, though. I don't know if you guys keeping up with the news. It's going crazy, man. That man said he's not backing down from Joe Biden, man. Man, I'm on Texas side for this one, bro. And I follow like the governor page, like the Texas page on TikTok. This man is just signing all type of paper, man. He's going crazy, bro. Oh my God. I hope nothing crazy is happening. Welcome back to another video, man. Hey guys, my front camera just broke, man, so I gotta take that joint and put it back in my bed. But anyway, welcome back to your boy Scooter Kel, man. Thank you guys for turning in. And your boy finna go crazy today, man. So if you're new, man, I know I make this announcement all the time, bro. If you're new to my channel, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, bro. Hit that subscribe button. And guys, please, let's get like just 20 likes. All right, it is like almost 3K of you guys, so just 20 likes on this video, bro. I really do appreciate that, man. We finna go crazy today. And yo boy, prepare, bro. Always get your gear on, always be ready, you know. Get your helmet. If you got some gloves, get your gloves. If you got some knee pads, you know, just be ready, man. Woo, should we take over? Why not, bro? Woo. Light work, baby. Yes, sir. Man, if you guys don't know my tire, man, my tire is wearing up, bro. I gotta get me some new tire, man. It's crazy. I need like 2 brand new tires, bro. Woo. It's great. I don't really know what I'll be doing, bro. I just pick up my camera and start recording, bro. I don't have like no plan or all of that. Anything happens, it happens, bro. I really need to be like scheduling some videos, making some plans, and all of that. Woo. Bro, I don't know where this road leads to. Ah, that's a highway. Woo. Yes, sir. No days off. We're back on that grind, baby. Go ahead, hit that likes button, man, guys. Get me like just 20K likes. Not 20K likes, but just 20 likes on this video, man. What a beautiful day, y'all. Bro, the weather out here in Texas is really, really nice. The weather out here is one of a kind, man. Beautiful weather, nice food. You know, they always got something going on out here in Texas. So, he's on his phone. Oh, should I slide in? See? Yes, sir. Whoo, that slide was crazy though. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm so busy today though. Woo. Scooter is like the best thing to have in the city, man. I'm telling y'all. If you're in Houston, you need to get yourself some scooter, man. Or if you're in like a busy state or city, whatever, you need yourself some scooter, bro. Especially just, you know, just going to work and coming back from work. These things are really, really useful, man. And no, you don't have to have some crazy fast scooter. You don't have to have, you know, some type of expensive scooter. You just need something that have enough power to get you to work and from work. I'm telling you, like, since I got my scooter, or since I moved to Houston here, bro, I don't really like take my car to work anymore. I'm telling you, I don't take my car to work. I just ride my scooter all the time, bro. And it's really, really been saving me on gas, bro. I'm telling you. I'm thinking about just taking off my insurance. I'm just thinking about, you know, taking off the insurance from my car because I don't ride them anymore, bro. I'm telling you. I know I've said this a lot of times, right? I know I've said this a lot of times. You know, scooter, I think cops in Houston here, I don't know about other states, right? But in Houston here, from what I have experienced, I think scooters are like totally legal, bro. Like, I have passed cops a lot of times. Cops will see me in traffic a lot of times with my scooter, and they don't bother me, bro. They don't bother me. And am I saying it's legal? I don't know. But from what I can tell, you know, things been going pretty smooth with me. I've never been pulled over or harassed by any cops. I just been chilling, man. And I have seen like a couple of people, not just me out here, you know, having scooter, bro. I've seen a lot of people on here with their scooters. They be chilling, you know, they be doing that thing. I've seen like, you know, someone with the same scooter as me. I have seen, I think 3 of like the Wolf King GT Pro, and I've seen like so many people out here, you know, like so many people out here got their own scooter and they be doing their own thing. So, like, some of us, we have not yet experienced life, man. So all these rumors that we're hearing, bro, y'all really need to chill, bro. America, man, y'all need to chill with that, bro. Like someone gotta live life to the fullest, bro. You're not trying to cut that up, bro. I'm just saying, bro. The way how things are just escalating, you know, the government trying to pull, I don't know, take down the fans, and then Texas governor trying to pull the fans back up. They're going back and forth. Y'all need to chill with all of that, bro. Y'all need to come to some type of agreement or some sort of peace. We don't want no civil war, bro. We don't want that here, bro. I ain't no politician. I don't know, you know, much about politics, but the way how things are going, America need to get it together, man. Bro, I want to go visit like the Houston Waterfall. If you guys don't know, I made like a video when I first came to Houston, you know, to visit the waterfall. When I went there, bro, there were hella people out there, bro. I'm telling you, hella people. So you good. No, you good. You see, drivers out here are really nice, man. You know, but they're crazy too, though. But anyways, when I first got here, I went to visit the Houston Waterfall, and it was so many people there, man. So I think today's gonna be a little bit, I don't think people are gonna be there that much. So I'm gonna go check it out and see if I can get some little good picture and stuff like that. So y'all stay tuned though. You see the traffic? I forgot, man. I should be rolling in between here. Nah.
You should be on the sidewalk, right?
Huh?
You should be on the sidewalk, right?
We don't, like, it's too fast to be on the sidewalk. You know, people be on the sidewalk, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but when I look it up, they said we don't need lights, you know. We just have to go by the speed limit and stuff like that.
You be on a bike lane, so. All right, check me out.
Appreciate it, sir. That's a photo, yeah. It's a beautiful day, man. So what do you guys really think? This cop really think that I should be on the sidewalk, you know, with this 70 miles per hour scooter? And then when I tell him that, you know, it's too fast to be on the sidewalk, and then he said I should be on a bike lane. Like, look at here, bro. Where's the bike lane here? There's no bike lanes. So I don't really know what he was saying. But yeah. Man, I'm out here at my favorite park. I'm here at the water park, but it looks like it closed. Yep, that's exactly what it looks like. But it's still worth seeing though. Or just turn in here. Just to go see how it looks like when it's not working. Oh, people still come out here though. That's huge. Is it closed?
How much is this? How much is the bike?
Oh, it's a scooter.
How much is it?
4,000.
4,000.
4,000?
Yeah.
How much is split this one?
the top speed,
Yes.
it goes up to 70.
70? Oh, nice. For how many miles does work the battery?
70 miles,
70
depending.
miles?
Yeah, depending on
How
how
much is the
fast you're gonna be riding. You know.
How much is the helmet?
The helmet was like 150.
150?
Yeah.
Damn. You're rich.
That's good.
I'm not rich. I just save and then buy. You know. Yeah. You guys have a good one. Hey yo, if you guys reach at the point of this video, I want to say thank you guys for sticking with me, and thank y'all, man. Y'all stay tuned though. Y'all stay tuned. We finna be back again with another banker, man. Stay tuned, man. Peace out, guys.